Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 1005 in a row. We did it, we broke 1,000 days. Be sure to go check out that episode as well. So crazy that we've dollar cost averaged for over 1,000 days now. But let's take a look at what's going on here. Bitcoin currently just below 61,000. Down about 0.5% today, down about 2% the past week, kind of going sideways there. Up about 11% on the month. You can see this definite consolidation right there. And up 291% over the past 365 days. So still doing extremely well in that aspect. My current USD balance is $5,547. My current Bitcoin owned is 0.091. 00942. Let's go ahead and take a look at this news today. Tampa mayor to accept pay in Bitcoin. That's pretty cool. Bitcoin whale selling jumps while Bitcoin price holds $60,000 and buyers snap up the supply. Bitcoin only needs to break 64K to run to new all-time highs. I think the most interesting news, which isn't even on here, yesterday Cash App's earning reports came out and they generated $1.8 billion in Bitcoin revenue. Let's take a look at how Square stock is reacting to this. So it's down a little bit today actually, but I'm bullish on that news. I think it's just the beginning, lots of more to come, and they're going to do big things in the crypto space, so I'm not worried one bit. Let's just buy $1 a Square here while it's down. That's how we do it. Dollar cost averaging. Let's do today's Bitcoin as well. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. So let's go and see Bitcoin owned now. 0.0910253. Added a little bit there, just slowly adding each day. Let's do the math on this. $5,547. 5547 divided by 1,005 days equals a 5.51x on our investment. So still doing extremely well. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $5.51. That's the power of dollar cost averaging over a long period of time in a well-performing asset. And I just mentioned this, but I think Bitcoin just getting started. You know, a lot of the smartest people in Bitcoin say this, but it doesn't really kick in. Like, Bitcoin is the most transparent money out there. We know the supply, we know who owns what, we know how much will be mined each year, we know the difficulty of mining goes up. It's just so transparent. Also crazy to think how many people could just be doing the same exact thing that I'm doing, buying $1 a day. And eventually, if they just want to hold those Bitcoin, like, the supply is just locked up. There's just not enough available on exchanges. So that's something crazy to think about as well. Another thing we've been talking about, Syncronauts minting, going slow and steady, but we're getting quality people in, so I'm still excited about it. 382 of the 777 have been minted, so definitely join the Sync Discord if you want to learn about NFTs, DeFi, liquidity, anything smart in the crypto space. That'll do it for this one. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.